Greetings, everybody. Um, so shout out to Tech Odyssey. Awesome video. He went ahead and dropped a video basically outlining that the Pixel 6 and Pixel 7 is mostly a percentage Samsung parts. And enough of a percentage that basically you can say that the Pixel 6 and Pixel 7 is a Samsung device. Kind of sad, at least on Google's part, but it's to be expected. So the way that I see it is because it is this way, technically means that the Nexus setup hasn't died. Because remember, Google used to go and seek out different OEMs to build the current year's Nexus device that will house the latest version of Android. And yeah, they kind of went, left field for a while, basically building their own devices from previous generations. But with the 6 and 7, pretty much confirms my suspicions that, Google and Samsung have a very, very close working relationship now. The fact that Samsung was willing to pretty much like kill out its own Messenger app in favor of Google Messages, so that way RCS would become a standard. The fact that Google went ahead and made, Android 12L, which was adapted to larger displays, i.e. the Z Fold series. The fact that at the recent Samsung Unpacked event, Google and Qualcomm, along with Samsung, took the stage to kind of talk about this partnership that they have. When you think about the camera sensors, right? Google pretty much stepped away from Sony camera sensors and went for a Samsung camera sensor because the camera sensors in the Pixel 6 and Pixel 7 are from Samsung. So it doesn't surprise me, right? Samsung had a hand in helping Google develop the Tensor chip. The Tensor chip is not just, an Exynos rebranded. So I made that clear. However, it is going to have shades of Samsung because Samsung helped them develop it, build it. So, of course, when you have a company that builds its own chip, the Exynos, obviously they're going to advise another company to do things similar to the way that they've been doing it. So, I mean, all this, culminates to, does Google actually really make phones? And, my answer to that is no. I know, right? The Pixel fan guy here telling you guys no. People will be like, well, Apple's 100% in-house Apple. No, it's not. Their displays come from Samsung. So let's not beat around the bush and then start trying to throw shade. Most interesting though, Tech Odyssey talked about it. It's kind of crazy. So the most expensive piece on the Pixel 7 Pro that he was talking about is 20% of the cost. The entire phone, what it costs to build a Pixel 7 Pro, $411 and some change, right around there. And the display being 20% of that. Yeah. So how do you guys feel knowing that, good percentage of the latest Pixel devices, which is the 6 and 7, are basically components built by Samsung and not necessarily in-house built by Google? Let me know what you guys' thoughts are in the comments. Would love to know. And I'm going to live stream about this on Instagram tomorrow. So if you guys are following me on Instagram, my early morning adventures and dropping off my kids, I will be going live talking about it. Peace.